Hi everyone. Welcome to your answering channel. Today, I want to share with you some simple and effective home remedies for cough in kids. As a mom, we know how tough it is to see your child suffering from a cough, especially during the night. But don't worry, with these remedies, you can ease your child's discomfort and help them get a good night's sleep. So, the first remedy is honey and lemon. Mix equal parts of honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give your child a spoonful of this mixture before bed. The honey will soothe the throat, and the lemon will help fight the cough. The second remedy is ginger tea. Boil a few slices of ginger in water and let it simmer for a few minutes. Strain the liquid, add some honey for taste, and give it to your child. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce coughing. The third remedy is a steam shower. Turn on the hot water in your shower, close the door, and let the steam build up. Sit with your child in the bathroom for 10 to 15 minutes. The steam will help loosen the mucus in your child's chest and make it easier for them to breathe. And there you have it. 3 simple and effective home remedies for cough in children. I hope these remedies will help your child feel better and get a good night's sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.